In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up regions within your Google Merchant Center account. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate through the process step by step, ensuring that you're well equipped to expand your product reach across different regions. To begin, you'll want to head over to your web browser and type in business.googlestu.com in Merchant Center. This link will direct you to the Merchant Center's homepage. Now in the upper right corner of the screen you should see a sign in button. Click on that and select Merchant Center from the drop down options. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to your Merchant Center's main page. However, if you aren't signed in yet, don't worry, a sign in page will appear for you to enter your credentials. Once you're happily logged into your Merchant Center account, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the page where you'll locate the gear icon. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to adjusting settings. Click on that gear icon and a list of choices will pop up. From this list you'll want to choose the settings option followed by add-ons. This path will take you to a section where you can make various adjustments, including adding regions. Now that you're in the add-ons section, you'll need to look for the regions option. Don't be afraid to scroll a bit if it's not immediately visible. Once you've found it, click on Add to begin setting this up. After clicking, a pop-up confirmation will appear. Here you'll simply confirm your choice by clicking on Add again. This step is crucial because it officially starts integrating the region settings into your Merchant Center account. With the regions feature now active, you'll see a new option to go to regions. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a page specifically designed for managing your regional settings. On this page you have the opportunity to really fine-tune where you want your products to be visible. To add a particular region, click the Add Region button. This button allows you to select from a list of available regions that you wish to target. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated through setting up regions in Google Merchant Center, making your products more tailored and accessible to specific markets. This can significantly enhance your reach and help tailor your offerings to regional preferences. As you grow and expand, don't hesitate to revisit these settings and make the necessary adjustments to keep up with your evolving business needs. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.